we can define one text. We can say that its value is something like this. Now we want to console what is the size of this string. So what we can do, size of txt is txt dot length. Let's see its output. Sorry. Right, so it prints the value, which is the size, and these are actually very helpful when you're creating a logic, right? So when you want to do some when you want to write some algorithm or the logic, so these are very much important. The next what I want to talk about is how to find the index of, like if this string is too big. Anil Bajpayee is a trainer in JavaScript, Oracle Cloud, AWS Cloud. Now if I need to look what is the index of trainer, so how I can do this, I can console and then we can say that within text we want to find index of trainer, right? Let's see the output. Okay, I missed something else. So it says index of trainer is 17, which means 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and then 17. So 17th you can expect this trainer should be present. So this is to locate. Now if we say that we need to see the index of cloud, because you see that cloud is repeated twice. So what it will say, it will give me 47. But what about this or this, right? So we can use relative functions. We can break the string into multiple small strings, or if we want to choose the last one, we can use the last index. So it gives me 58, right? And also searching for a string within string. So one is we were able to do the index part, but if we want to search for a string, search of cloud, so we can use the function search. Let's see the difference between index of and search. So what it says, it is on 47, it is of 47. So from demonstration perspective, you will see that it is giving the same thing, right? It searches for the this thing from the search and index, it was giving 47. Here it was giving 47. So what is the difference? They accept the same argument and return the same value, but two methods are not equal. There are some differences. So search method cannot take a second start position argument, whereas index method cannot take powerful search values, that is regular expression, right? So that search, what is the power of search, we will look into the some of the example that we will cover later. But search method take a second start positional argument, right? Now I just want to talk about one more method here, and then I would like to give you one exercise. So what if I want to break this overall string basis on some parameter? So if I say that I want to break this string into the substring, and I want substring with a pattern, so I want to say that break after trainer, and we can say substring, and then I want to provide its position, that I want to start from 11, and then I want to go to end as maybe 3367, right? So it will be 19. Let's see what is the output. Oh, sorry, it will start with 17 and then 17, 3 here, 24. So it is giving me trainer. Now what I want to give you a quick exercise, just use this as a string, or maybe I'll give you the pattern ABC, CBA, ABC. So let's suppose this is your string. I want you guys to tell me what are the different alphabets and then how many times these are repeated. So I want print out like A 1 2 3 4, whereas B 1 2 3 4, right? And C similarly. So each character and then how many times that characters are present.
Is it visible, sir?
Yeah, this is visible.
So sir, this is my text which you gave. So I created a frequency name dictionary and I'm iterating through the text, and then I'm finding an element at the ith index in the text. If it is a white space, then I'm continuing, and basically if I'm encountering the element for the first time, then I'm increasing its frequency, else basically I'm making it for the I'm encountering it for the first time. So I'm making it 1, and I'm then consoling into the frequency and then iterating each element in the frequency. Basically this is the key, and correspondingly for printing the value I am making frequency corresponding to that particular key.
Right, I think the logic is correct, but the only thing is, since we didn't talk about the for loop so far, and you already know it, so which is good, but I was not expecting others who are just starting with the fundamental codes to follow this approach. So has someone done it without the for loop?